Hello, hello guys. Tignan natin ang ating in-order na ano. Baka. Ito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bali, 4 na bag. $25 each. Each bag, $25. Kaya tignan natin kung gaano ka karami. Ayan. Ito siya guys. Ito yung isang ano, isang bag. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ito yung isang $25. Tapos may kasama siyang may kasama siyang ano, may kasama siyang laman-laman yata to. Ayan. Ayan siya. Oh, ito. Tapos may papait. Ayan, ilagay natin dito. Ayan siya. Oh, may dugo pa siya. Meron din dugo. Ayan. Ito yung ano, $25. $25 ito guys. Kasama yung dugo at saka yung papait. Ayan, lagay natin. Tapos, ito yung isang pangalawang bag. Ayan. Pangalawang bag. Ayan. Tapos, meron din siyang papait. May kasamang dugo rin. Saka yung laman loob. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Ayan, ito yung pangalawa, may buto-buto siya. Ayan. Ito yung pangalawang bag. Ito yung pangatlong bag. Pangatlong bag. Oh, okay. Ito yung pangatlong bag. Puro meat. Tapos may ano rin siya. May papait din siya. Ayan, lagay natin dyan. May papait. Ayan, tatlong bag na yan. Tapos yung pang-apat na plastic natin. Ayan. Meron din papait. Ayan, papait. Oh, wala nang, ay, meron. Akala ko wala nang dugo. Meron pa pang dugo. May dugo pa siya. Tapos, ito yung meat niya. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ito yung ano, $100, guys.
No. So,
Ayan.
Was there anything unusual going on in her life?
$100.
except for
Ayan.
I don't like gossip.
Ayan siya.
We're cops. It's
O, tignan
information,
nyo, oh.
not gossip.
Ayan.
I think she might have been.
Nag-order ako dun sa mga nagkakatay-katay ng ano. Na yung nagpapa-order. Nagkakatay sila. Tapos, ayan. Kung gusto mong mag-order, $25 one bag. Kaya apat na bag ito.
Explanations for that.
4 bags ito. Kaya apat din yung papaitan. Pero tatatlo lang yung dugo.
We went through
Ayan,
the phone.
apat na papait din. At saka, ayan.
Because she was using a second
Ayan.
phone.
Ayan guys. Okay. At saka, kaya ito na yung mga plastic. Ayan.
Burn the phone.
Okay.
His home that exchanged numerous text messages.
Yan.
Arranging meetups.
Transfer natin
Phone
dito.
number, registered in
Yan
your
siya.
name.
Tingnan natin yung $100.
Morphine strangled to death.
Ayan siya.
2 nights ago in her home.
Alexis is dead.
Ayan siya guys. Ayan.
What was the nature
Oh.
of your relationship with Miss Morphine?
Yung $100. Ayan.
I'd rather not say.
What part of
Okay.
the homicide detectives do you not understand? I don't give a
Yan.
damn whether your wife finds out or not or whatever.
Yan.
Just, we need some answers.
May buto-buto
My
kunti.
wife. Okay.
Ayan.
Oh,
Ayan siya.
I'm a journalist. We were
May ano
working
siya.
together on
Ano ba
She
to?
was my main source.
Liver.
what was
Ito yung mga
the
liver. Ayan,
A
liver.
toxic workplace environment at Custom.
Ayan.
In particular,
Yan siya.
the bad behavior of
Yan.
Custom's CEO, Ethan Barrett.
Ito yung mga ano.
She was
Sa
trying to take down Ethan
loob-loob.
Barrett. He's like the richest guy in the world.
Ayan siya guys.
To
Ayan.
be exact,
O ito na yung mga laman, ano, laman
she was.
loob.
We were really close to doing it.
Ayan. Ayan siya. Okay. Ayan, o diba? Okay.
Alexis Morphew was a whistleblower.
Ano,
She was
baliktad
feeding
na
journalists
tayo.
documents,
Yung
reports, and
baliktad,
first-hand accounts for an expose on
lauya
America.
or whatever.
Mr. Progressive and enlightened.
Ayan, ito.
Yeah, she claimed Barrett
$100 lahat
cultivated
guys.
an abusive and misogynistic
Kasama yung
workplace that he physically intimidates employees. You know,
apat na
yells,
babae at
screams,
saka
gets in
dugo.
their faces.
Ayan guys.
He threw a chair through a glass wall.
Eh,
He was just on the cover of Forbes.